Hi, how's it going, everybody? How's your summer so far? This is Peter Chen from Macro Players. You are watching Shopping for Culture with Peter. Today, I'm going to show you a flip example. It's done by myself. Why I'm showing an example like done by myself? Because people always ask me, the investor approach to me asking, Peter, you introduced me such a nice potential property. It's not I don't trust you, but I just don't understand why you are not buying this good potential property yourself. All the time people are asking me, all the investors ask me, don't get me wrong, this is a good question, but I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm professional. This is what I do for a living. I find you a good property, just like a stock market broker. They find you a good product. They help you to make money on the stock market. That's how we do. I don't want to overstep somebody's function. But, not everybody can trust me on that. So what I do, I figure out, why not I'm just doing one flip for myself and I show you and videotape what I'm capable of, what a realtor can bring you the money. If the realtor cannot make money, what's the point of having that realtor, right? So that's why we are having this video today. That's why I'm showing this townhouse today. We are located in the South Torrega area. This is Torrega House in very southwest area of Edmonton. This is very nice community, younger community. A lot of people live close by because recreation center and bus station just across the street, very close. That's a subject property we are seeing today. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-4-bath, and 1 tandem parking, underground tandem attached garage underneath. You have a front yard right here. Let's go take a look inside. This one has a condo fee. Yes, it's a townhouse, 2-bedroom, 2-4-bath. Okay, so once we walk in, so let me quickly show you what I did. When I bought it, was bought about a month ago. So I have a contractor to changing the flooring throughout on this level. And I changing the light fixtures, I changing the countertop. Everybody using the countertop like quartz granite. I'm trying to saving the money, saving the budget. I just want to make the house more appealing. Not necessarily sometimes you need to do all the upgrades, right? So I changing the wall colors. The painting, I did not change it. It was like an original color white, and we cannot doing a little bit touch up. This is just the laminate. We changing the structure a little bit. It was like push out that much. So we reload a little bit. More like more spacing to be created. Appliances, some of them are brand new. Not all of them. So the layout is original. I did not touch anything layout. Some window broken, I fixed that windows. So those are basically original conditions. Carpet is original. We have a stink clean big time. It was really dirty, but the company doing very good job. They clean very nice. Upstairs, like I mentioned to you, have a 2-4-bath. So this is one of the bathroom. That's a second bedroom over here. We have at least the background color wood. The master is right here. Oh, by the way, the laundry room is right here. It was so messy. I cleaned up and changing another used set. So that's much better condition now. So this is a master bedroom. The flooring is original. Yeah, we're using the same color for the downstairs. This is everything you see here is original. We just clean up. We did not do much. The window we fixed again. That's about it. That's all I did. We quickly show you the basement. The window I clean up nicely, right? Looks very good. So the staircases go down to your garage. There's pretty much no basement. It's just a garage, attached garage, a single tenant. So you can park in 2 cars over there. So let me summarize everything. So I bought this property about a month ago. Okay, this townhouse about a month ago. So on the first day I took over, so I have a contractor to come over to clean up and to do the renovation, small renovation for 1 week. Then the second week we do all the cleaning. Oh, you need a 1 week clean, trust me on that. Those nothing for free, something you have to work hard for it. So we clean up pretty much like over a week. Then on the 3rd week, we prepare the listing, go live. So 2 hours after we go live, the first customer come to see it and make an offer already. And pretty much we pending on the first 2 hours, we listing to the public. And then a couple days after, they just remove the condition. So to me, the time frame is almost 1 month, actually less than 1 month. The profit margin is about 20%. Yes, you're here right. It's about 20%. That's after all the expenses, deduction, everything else. Okay, so 20% within a month, we managed to get that. Consider this is a high interest rate and high inflation market in Edmonton, right? Everybody talk about I can make so much money in Vancouver, Toronto. You know, in here we still manage it. People still surviving. We still make money. Well, we still buying a property for investor like yourself. That's why I'm showing you these examples to let you know how professional I am, why I choosing not to flip in the property. I'm going to focus on what I can serve you better to help you to find a property, because I need to flip a property. You definitely need the time to do it. That's that's the things I don't have. I want to focus on what can I do to find you a good potential property. So that's it. So that's the end of today's flipping property video. I hope you like it. I hope you kind of get to know what type of person I am, how you can use me to help you to succeed in the real estate. Whether or not you want to buy a good potential property, you want to investment, or you want to buy rental property, this is my expertise. I'm not just a realtor who open the door for you to show the house. That's not me. Okay, thanks for watching Shopping Foreclosure with Peter. I talk to you next time.